Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the course. So guys, if you don't know, we started a new course called HTML course. So uh, this is the I think 15th class of 15th or 14th class of HTML course. So if you don't know, if you do not watch previous videos, then I suggest you to please watch the previous video. You can go to my channel Iron Tech on YouTube and check the playlist button, and then you can watch the whole videos. The playlist name is HTML course for beginners, so you can understand these things which we are studying today. So let's get started. Our topic is links. What are the links in HTML? So I open the Visual Studio Code. This is the best, I think, best code editor in the world right now, in my opinion. So I create a new file and I named it HTML links.html. Okay. So what are the links? Links are some text on which when a user or we click on the text, then it will redirect towards a new website or new URL. The URL is written by programmer, and we will practice it, and you can easily understand how links work in HTML. So the link tag is represented by a close tag, open tag. First of all, we will create just a simple link of Google. So Google, I write a text here, Google, and as you know, this is a simple text. Control S, and then I go to my HTML practice folder to access this file, HTML links. So as you can see, there is just a simple text Google. So I want a scenario when a user or I click it, then it redirects towards google.com. So I write here an attribute name href, and here we write the URL of Google, which is google.com. Control S, and I refresh it, and you can see there is a link. So when I click on this link, your file couldn't be accessed. This is because of internet. You must have a good internet speed. So one thing, I write here google.com, and I copy the link of google.com, and I place the link here, Control V, then Control S. Then let's see what happens. So as you can see, the link is, I think, incorrect. So it redirects towards google.com. So I back. So there is one more attribute which is called target. Target means that the one property of target attribute is blank, and the second one is self. The second one is self. Let's see what these activities perform. So I write here target and blank, Control S, and let's see what happens. I refresh it, and when I click it, then it redirects, but in next tab. But when I change it in self, Control S, then it will redirect in the same window. So this is the difference. So after that, you can change the color of the link, like I give style attribute, style tag style, and I change the color like aqua. Control S. Let's see it's changed or not. You can see it is changed. I also change the background color. Oh, so guys, we have a new thing that if we want to give more properties in style, then we can give it in the same under the same quotation marks. So I write here red, control S, and let's see. So you can see the color of the text is aqua and the background color of the text is red. So I think that's it for links. So we will study more about links in the future, but this course is for beginners, so I cannot make things complicated. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn this skill. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.